Hello everyone, this is Coach Zaira once again, and I am back for another English lessons. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and be notified every time I have new videos. Today's lesson will focus on the prepositions of time: at, in, and on. For example, I will meet my friend at 1 o'clock. We will go on vacation in April. She will be meeting us on Saturday. Some people get confused of how to use these prepositions correctly. Then let's go through this to learn more. Just keep watching. Let's start with the preposition at. At is used for time or during a period of time. For example, at 2 o'clock, at night, at the moment, at bedtime, at noon, at midnight, at sunrise, at sunset, at present. Preposition in is used for months, years, seasons, centuries, and long period of time. For example, in March, in 2023, in the past, in the future, in winter or in the winter, in a few minutes, in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. Preposition on is used for dates and days. For example, on October 9th, on Sunday afternoon, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on New Year's Eve. What is the difference between on Christmas and at Christmas? On Christmas is used for days. Therefore, on Christmas means specifically on December 25th. At Christmas means any time around Christmas, not only on the specific day, but sometime around that period. Let's say from December 23rd to December 28th. Which one is right, at the weekend or on the weekend? Well, both of these expressions are correct. On the weekend is mostly used in American English, while at the weekend is usually used in British English. However, there is a little difference between these two expressions. On the weekend is generally considered to be a more informal phrase, while at the weekend is often used in more formal contexts, such as business or academic writings. When we use last, next, every, and this in a sentence, we do not use at and on before these words. For example, I went to Japan last April, not I went to Japan in last April. Then, we will come back next Wednesday. We don't say on next Wednesday. And we'll see you this evening. We don't say in this evening. All right, let's have a quick recap. Remember that at is used for time or during a period of time. In is used for months, years, seasons, centuries, and long period of time. On is used for dates and days. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you never get confused of the prepositions of time anymore. Please like, subscribe, and share if you find this video helpful. Have a great time and see you next lesson.